Hello, Namaste. I am a notebook called diary. People make a note and share their secrets with me. They share their experiences and their dreams. Sometimes they write their feelings and emotions. I help in preserving their memories. So now let me tell how to write a simple diary. Listen to the audio and learn the simple format of writing a diary. What is diary entry? Let us understand and learn how to write a diary and its uses. Generally, people write a diary to record the events, experience that happened the whole day. It is a personal form of writing in which you record your thoughts and opinions. It can be considered a friend. By writing a diary regularly, people save their memories for future. It is a personal document. The diary is for you and you only because it is your own thoughts, feelings, experiences, your likes and dislikes and adventures. It is written in informal language, but still a certain format is followed. Diary writing is a section of writing that has been organized by date. It can be long or short. Let me explain the tips for writing a diary. First, on to the top left corner of the page, write date, day and time. Remember to start with DDT. Date should be written in full, like 20th February 2022. And day should be written in full, Sunday, no short forms. Time, remember diary is written at night, so write PM, like 9 PM. Leave a line and then write Dear Diary. Put a comma after writing DD. Leave a line and start the content or body. Usually one paragraph is enough while writing the answer to the question. The exact number words will be given to write. It might be 100 or 150 words. Follow the instructions and write accordingly. Do not write more than the given number of words. Marks can be reduced. Now, how to start the body? The introduction should be in general. Remember, the starter is very important. You can start with it was a nice day or a good day. After the starter, describe the event according to the topic given in the question. It is an expansion of the introduction. The last will be conclusion. Give your future action or the final remark about the topic or your feelings to the event. The last one is signature. Write your first name and sign. Steps for diary writing. If you want to give a heading, you can mention or there is no need. A diary entry is written in first person, so use I, me, myself, mine. The tense most frequently used are simple past, present perfect and future. For example, I decided to write is past tense. I have decided to write is present perfect. Future is I will write, I shall write. Now let me conclude, and it will be followed by a sample diary writing. Remember to start with DDT, date, day and time, and the next is Dear Diary or Hello Diary. Keep your thoughts and feelings organized. Diary writing improves your writing skills. When you write a diary, you set your goals, dreams and aspirations. You set your ambitions, your secrets or simple resolution is written down. Your ideas, future plans can be written in your diary. Usually, a diary is read by us, not by anyone else. Sometimes, diary reduces and helps to release any stress which has been accumulated in our thoughts. Sometimes, you regret what you have done. Diary helps you to understand yourself. Let me give an example for diary writing. Thank you. This is Padma. Have a good day.